Welcome everyone. Today I'm going to show you how you can set the Java path to your environment variables. Open up any IntelliJ project and go to File, Project Structure. In Project Structure, click on SDKs, and in SDKs you will see different SDKs installed on your system. You might only have one or maybe two, three, that doesn't matter. Whichever one you want to set as an environment variable, just click on that, and then after that copy the path that is there. Once the path is copied, you need to navigate yourself to this path. So for that purpose, just open up your Explorer, paste the path over here, and it will take you to the location where your Java is downloaded. Now go into the bin folder, copy this path, and open up environment variables. In order to open up environment variables, you can simply go ahead and click on the Start menu and type in environment variables. Then you can click on environment variables one more time, and this screen is going to appear up. Over here, what you need to do is you need to locate path. So once you have figured out where the path is, double click on that and it will open up this window. Double click, paste the path over here and click on OK, and then click on OK one more time. After that, click on the back button and go to this folder which contains bin, demo, include, JRE, etc. Copy the path of this folder, open up your environment variables one more time, click on environment variables, and then after that you need to add, so you will click on new, Java_home, and the variable value you are going to paste the path that you just copied. Click on OK, and then you will be able to locate Java home over here. Click on OK one more time. So that's how you are going to set Java environment variables. Once that is done, open up your Chrome browser, write down Apache Maven, click on download, and then go to this binary zip archive and click on this link. It's going to start downloading your Apache Maven. Once the download is complete, you need to pick up this file and go to your C drive, then go to program files. I'm going to shift this down. Okay, go to program files and paste it over here. Once you have pasted the file, it's going to appear over here. Right click, extract here. It's going to ask you for confirmation. Click on OK, and you will see that Apache Maven will be extracted here. Now you need to locate this over here. So you will see Apache Maven 3.9.9 folder appearing up in program files. Enter in it. Double click on bin. Copy the path, and now again open up your environment variables. Now in environment variables, you need to click on new, Maven_home, and paste in the value of the new path. Okay. Now you will see Maven_home path being updated in your system variables. Click on back, copy this path, and make sure this is the path where bin, boot, conf, lib folders are located. Open up your environment variables one more time, click on path, double click, paste the path over here, click on OK, OK, and then again OK. Once you have done all of this, now you have also successfully configured your Maven. You have installed it and set the paths to the Maven. Now write down git bash, open up the git bash and write down mvn -- version. It will show you the version of the Apache Maven that has been installed in your system. Right now, I have two versions installed, so that's why it's appearing as 3.8.6 as well. But for you, it will show you the version that you have installed. So that's how you can install the Apache Maven on your system. Thank you. Take care. I'll see you next time.